Today, we're back inside of my YouTube channel, and of course, we're going to go to Analytics. Then, once inside of Analytics, we're going to go to Audience. That's you guys. And we're going to see channels your audience watches, and we're going to scroll down and what your audience watches. So this is the type of video that you are watching. Instant traffic, make $173 in 3 days with affiliate marketing for beginners. And the question today is, will this work? Will the method that's being shown in this video work? We're going to find out by testing it, but first we're going to take a look at the video to get a complete understanding of exactly where the instant traffic is going to come from.
So this is hands down the easiest ways to start affiliate marketing even if you're a beginner. So I made almost $180 in a couple of days with this free traffic source I'm going to show you. But this has nothing to do with social media, no content creation, no website, no videos, nothing of that usual stuff. All you have to do is create free ads on this special site and click post.
Well, just to get started, I'd say it's always that sort of kind of thing, right? Nothing to do, nothing to learn, no skills involved, just get free traffic and start making money. Well, again, we're going to see if this is actually going to work by continuing to watch the video and figure out exactly what we need to do to generate this instant traffic with no skills, and where exactly the traffic is going to come from, and of course, what it is that we're actually promoting to make this money.
Right, so head over to a site called digistore24.com and sign up for a free account. This is basically one of the best affiliate networks out there, and it works worldwide. So,
well, I'd say that's a bold claim to say that Digistore24 is one of the best affiliate networks out there. It does work worldwide, and I think that is the big draw to a video like this. Looking at a platform that anyone in the world can use, I agree with that. But some of the products, especially the product that we're going to see that he's promoting, is definitely not a product that I would promote. So we're going to have to find a different way to test this, because I'm just flat out not going to promote the product that he shows in the video. But we will figure out something to promote, or at least see if we can utilize this traffic source to see how well it works. Let's keep watching.
So once you created your free account, you can just log in. And as you can see, with this method, I actually got 483 clicks, which made me $173 in the last couple of days, as you can see right here. So this method worked.
So there we see the money that was made and a certain amount of clicks, but we haven't actually seen where those clicks come from just yet. Maybe we'll see later on in the video, but I definitely want to show, or I want to be able to, when I test this, I want to be able to show the ad that I'm running, and then I want to use some type of tracking so I can see that clicks are coming from that actual ad, to see if we're able to utilize this traffic source in a way where we can actually demonstrate that the ad generated clicks and then that generated revenue, so we can see the complete picture versus sort of a snapshot in time. And not to say that I don't believe that those clicks came from that traffic source, but it's better to actually be able to see the proof.
So now, what you want to do once you're logged in is go over to Marketplace, click right there, and then for the sake of this video, we are going to choose the Internet Marketing and e-business category right there. And here we can choose any of these offers to promote.
Now we see the list of offers, and then you see the offer that's going to actually be promoted. And again, like I said, it's just not going to happen. I'm not going to promote that offer, even using a quote unquote free traffic source that may or may not work. I'm not going to take the risk of anyone actually taking my recommendation and purchasing that product. So we'll come up with something different to generate leads and then see if we can generate some revenue. So let's keep watching.
With this method, I do recommend you guys to start out with a low ticket offer. So we are basically going to promote something on the lower price range. So usually $7, $10, $15, $20 is going to be the cost, because remember, with this free traffic site, we are going to get a lot of clicks and we are going to get them fast. However, there's a small percentage that actually converts to sales.
So now we know to expect a lot of clicks and a lot of clicks fast, but we also expect to not have a high conversion rate, meaning that free clicks get you free results, or penny clicks get you penny sales. The idea here is it's a free traffic source. We don't or we haven't seen it yet, but we've already been told to expect a low conversion. Of course, that's all relative. So let's continue to watch it and see what it is we're actually going to be setting up and where this traffic is going to come from.
Let's get over to the next step, which is the special site that I'm talking about. So the site is called WordProfit. So you can access it by going to Worldprofitcom. Now, all you have to do when you access it's going to look like this. So what you want to do first is actually come over right here on the right side and click on free class feeds right there.
So now we finally have seen what the traffic source is going to be. It's going to be free classified ads from something called Worldprofit.com. This is a site, I've never heard of it. It is free to join, just like he said, so we can check that out. You can come over here and you can see that you are going to go to free classifieds. There is a Trustpilot review here with 4.6 out of 170 reviews. So I click to check the reviews over at Trustpilot. I usually go straight to the 1-star reviews. World Profit is a scam, folks, and waste of time, waste of money. Now I can see that World Profit Incorporated, the website, has responded to those. So that's a good sign. A lot of people get frustrated, especially when they see a video like this and they see that someone has said on YouTube, all you need to do is go run free classified ads and make $173, $180 from that free traffic. Obviously, that puts a stain or a strain on worldprofit.com because people are then going to go to the site, expect to click and set up a free ad and promote something we'll just call probably not the best product in the world from Digistore24. And then they see poor results, so they give up and they blame worldprofit.com. Now, I think worldprofit.com is more than just free classified ads, but that is the focus of this video, is generating instant traffic or free traffic in an instant and generating the results of instant money or free money from these free ads. So let's keep watching.
Like this. And I know it looks kind of, old school, but I promise you this site is amazing and there's literally nobody talking about this amazing free traffic.
He said it looks old school. It's probably not the word I would have chose. And then he goes on to talk about there's literally no one talking about this amazing free traffic source. Usually when people aren't talking about something, it ain't that amazing. Let's keep watching.
So the way this site works is we're going to be given free credit. I think it's going to be like 10 free credits, which will give us an ad space for 1 week. So we can post an ad for free, drive targeted traffic for free for 7 days.
So we get 7 days to drive traffic. I don't know so much about what he said there when he said it's targeted traffic. It's a free classified ad. I get that you can drop it down and put your ad in a specific category. So it is somewhat targeted. It's not just like in the newspaper and no one, or you don't have any idea who's actually going to see it. Someone's actually going to have to go into that category and be looking for this ad. That brings up a whole nother question, or my thought is, who's actually looking at these ads and why are they looking at them? Because like I said, I ain't never heard of this site. I have no idea what it is. I assume that maybe they have people coming there specifically for the reason that you're going to be going there if you try this method, is you want to get free traffic. And typically that means that you can have some way of earning free credits or getting more traffic by typically doing some type of action, which is usually clicking on ads, which again, that is a completely different type of thing or idea when you're talking about getting traffic, because now you're just generating traffic from people that are clicking on your ads because they want to generate free traffic in the hope of making sales. And that's just an endless cycle that usually doesn't work out too well for anyone. So let's keep watching.
Ads, and then click on place ads free right there. Now this will open up this page right here. And as you can see, there are a lot of ads just like the ones we are want to create, but to get these pictures and these website ads, you actually have to be a paid member. But don't worry, you don't need to be a paid member yet. You can still just use the free version and keep using the free version until you actually make some good money out of it.
I'm just going to say at this point, you'd be better off spending your time using a traffic source that is considered legit or relevant or that works. I get it. You want free traffic. If you want free traffic, spend time here on YouTube generating helpful content. Or if you want free traffic, spend time on social media where people are looking for the solutions that you're providing in the form of a product that you're hoping to make money from. But let's continue on here and see how or continue to see what we are setting up, so then we can come up with our own plan to, again, like I said, I can't promote these Digistore 24 products, but what I can do is I can use a product of my own and give it away and see if we can generate some leads, and then see exactly how this traffic source works, if it works at all, by tracking the clicks that we generate from the free ad that we get for 7 days. And then if we see some progress, or hey, if we see good results from the free traffic that we generate, then it might well be worth actually diving in, generating some more free traffic, and or becoming a member and using it as a valid traffic source. You don't know until you test. And of course, you watch this video, you watch the original video to see the results. You're watching this video to see my results. And that is the whole point of this video, is for me to show you exactly what I'm going to do based upon what he showed in his traffic video. Because at the end of the day, I'm just like you. I'm watching other YouTube videos. I'm looking at other people that are showing me their traffic sources and showing me that they had good results. I don't know if those results are going to be good for me or not until I test. And that's what we're here doing together. So let's keep watching.
Check out the affiliate resource page like I showed you earlier, and read some of these emails right here to get a better sense of what the product is about, but also how we can create our ad, because these email swipes right here are basically small ads that we can copy and paste. So our title for the ad could be something like this one right here. I'm going to change it a bit. So I'm going to put it, I'm going to paste it right here. And you could also go to Google and search for how to make money online and see what kind of ads pop up on Google search, so you can model those ads so you get the best possible ad that you can use with this method.
Like I said, I can't promote that. I couldn't even create a free ad that says generate $5,500 a day from your phone. You plus this app equals, what was it, $9,000 a week or some such nonsense there on the JV page for that product. But what I can do is I can give away this free report that you see right here. Discover the simple and timeless method generated 3 million in sales. Free report reveals what really works in internet marketing. This is a report that I can give away because it's actually showing results. It's not showing my results, but it's showing results of what is possible with a specific method that has been proven and is actually shown that it's generated this revenue and sales from the method. I have a report that shows that, and I can give that away. And what we can do is we can track those results, because what I'll do is I'll use my tracking software, my 30-minute marketing.click, and then I can actually see the clicks, and then I can track and view the click data. And again, like I said, I can give away this report. Discover the simple and timeless method that generated 3 million in sales. When people click to get this free report now, also there's a link in the description if you want to check out this report yourself. Once you land on that page, you click that red button, it'll actually go to this sales page, and this is inside of Thrive Cart. What I'm doing is I'm giving this report away for nothing, for $0, but I do have the potential to earn a little bit of revenue here in the form of a bump offer. So if you go here and someone was to download the report, plus they also want this amazing special one-time offer for my slap in the face, no BS secrets to making money online, they could toggle that switch, and then that brings this up to $9. So I have the potential to earn $9 in revenue from this free traffic source based upon giving away this free report. Again, like I said, from this page here that I know actually converts from free traffic. And I know that because I can look at my statistics and I can see here that I have 336 clicks to this offer, 95 funnel customers, and it's generated me $76 over the course of me just giving that away. And all I've done to give that report away, again, to this squeeze page, is I've linked it out to videos like this video I'm making here on YouTube. So utilizing YouTube as a traffic source for targeted traffic, because I know you're interested in making money online. And this free report actually breaks down what actually works, or what really works in internet marketing, such as what I'm doing here, generating helpful content in this video, and then linking out to a free report that you're free to check out. Again, link in the description. So we'll be using this and we'll actually be tracking it and taking a look and seeing what type of results we actually get from this free or instant traffic source that we saw in this video. Of course, if this interests you, let me know in the comments, because I'm really interested to see if you want me to continue with this type of video or to see these results. And it'll help me out a lot if you let me know what you think so far in the comments. But let's continue and see the rest of the video, or the original video that the creator has made for us, so we can understand exactly the potential that we have for traffic from this free instant traffic source using these free classified ads.
Then once you get some sales, you should definitely invest to get even more credits and even more exposure. You can actually be seen by 300, 400, 500,000 people and clicks each and every month if you actually subscribe to this service. But like I said, start for free and get that first sale.
So while I would agree, or I would say that it is possible, maybe not probable, but definitely possible to get traffic from this traffic source. And I would say that, yeah, you should try it and see if you get sales. And if you get sales, then why not? Maybe double down on paying and becoming a member. But the idea, or the fact that he said 500,000 clicks, I believe he said, from this traffic source. If you're to go to SimilarWeb and look up Worldprofit.com, total site visits for the entire site, sum of all visits on desktop and mobile from the last month, is only 300,000 clicks, or 300,000 visitors. So I'm not sure how 300,000 visitors is going to get you 500,000 clicks, and especially it's not going to get you 500,000 clicks in 7 days. You only get to run your free ad, which also, if you go back and you look at the video, doesn't come with the images, so it's not an image ad. So we'll definitely take a look at that, the type of ad that we get versus free, or the type of ad that we get for free versus paid, and then look and actually track the clicks. Like I said, the link for that report is in the description of this video. I'll be setting up a new link to track just the clicks that we get from our free ad for that 7 days, so we can actually see the clicks and the traffic coming from that. If we get any at all, of course, we probably will get some, but we'll definitely see how much we get. And then, of course, we'll take that and we'll look and we'll say, well, cool, I got these amount of clicks. Now, is it actually worth me upgrading and using this Worldprofit.com as a traffic source, free and or paid? If it works, it works, and I'm all for that. So like I said, let me know in the comments if you're excited for the results. I'll go ahead and get this set up, and we'll continue with this, and we'll actually try it, because this video is getting quite long, and I just wanted to walk through what it is we're going to try to do based upon the original video, where we saw that the creator got instant traffic and actually was able to generate revenue from this traffic source. So I'm super excited. We'll get it all set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.